Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your LinkedIn account to Claude using the ConnectSafely MCP portal. This integration allows Claude to securely access LinkedIn workflows through ConnectSafely. First, log into your ConnectSafely dashboard and navigate to the MCP Server section. And as you can see, you will find the MCP Server URL provided by ConnectSafely. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, which allows AI assistants like Claude to connect with external tools securely. This server URL contains the API key that will allow Claude to connect with your Connect Safely account. The next step is to copy this URL, which we'll use to create the connection inside Claude. Now, as you can see on my screen, I'm currently inside the Claude desktop app, and now I'll walk you through how to connect your LinkedIn account. So open up your profile from here, and as you can see the settings option, just click on it. And here you will find the connectors option. Simply press on it and scroll down a bit. And here you will find the add custom connector option. Simply put in the name. This will be the name for your server. So let me write Tejas Connect Safely. Next thing is the MCP server URL that you copied from ConnectSafely. Simply paste it into this input box just right here and simply click on add and just wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, once saved and now Claude is successfully connected to the ConnectSafely MCP server, which enables it to interact with LinkedIn workflows through ConnectSafely. And now let me show you how this works. Just click here, connectors. As you can see on my screen, my connector has been successfully added. They just connect safely. And that's how you connect your LinkedIn account to Claude using the Connect Safely MCP portal. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.